Find a comfortable seated position. You can close your eyes or maintain a soft downward gaze. Take a moment to settle into your body, feeling the support beneath you. Begin by taking 3 deep, calming breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each exhale, let any tension soften and release. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. Bring your awareness to this present moment exactly as you are. Now, bring your attention to your heart center, the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, gentle light beginning to glow there. This is your innate capacity for kindness and love. Silently or aloud, offer these phrases to yourself with genuine intention. May I be safe and protected. May I be healthy and strong. May I be happy and peaceful. May I live with ease. Again, may I be safe and protected. May I be healthy and strong. May I be happy and peaceful. May I live with ease. Repeat these phrases slowly, allowing each one to settle. If your mind wanders, gently return to the words. You might visualize yourself surrounded by warm light, or simply feel the intention behind each phrase. Let yourself receive this kindness. May I be safe and protected. May I be healthy and strong. May I be happy and peaceful. May I live with ease. Now, bring to mind someone you care about deeply. Maybe a family member, a friend, or anyone who naturally brings a smile to your heart. Visualize their face. Recall their presence. Feel the warmth of your connection to them. Offer these same phrases to them. May you be safe and protected. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy and peaceful. May you live with ease. Imagine your kindness flowing towards them like gentle waves of warmth. Sense them receiving this goodwill, even if they are far away. May you be safe and protected. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy and peaceful. May you live with ease. Now, bring to mind someone you encounter regularly but don't know well, perhaps a neighbor, a shopkeeper, someone you pass during your daily walks. This is someone neither close to you nor difficult, just simply another human being navigating through life. Recognize that, like you, they also wish to be happy and free from any suffering. Offer them these wishes. May you be safe and protected. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy and peaceful. May you live with ease. Notice any barriers that arise, perhaps indifference or disconnection, and gently persist with your intentions anyway, because each person deserves kindness. May you be safe and protected. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy and peaceful. May you live with ease. This next step is challenging but transformative. If you feel ready, bring to mind someone you find difficult. Perhaps someone who has hurt you, or someone you're in conflict with. Start small. This doesn't need to be your most challenging relationship. Recognize that this person, like all human beings, experiences pain and struggles, even if their own actions have caused harm. This doesn't excuse their behavior, but acknowledges their humanity. As best as you can, offer these phrases. May you be safe and protected. May you be healthy and strong. May you be happy and peaceful. May you live with ease. If this feels too difficult, that's completely okay. You may return to yourself or a loved one. Bring your thoughts gently back to yourself or a loved one. This practice is a gradual expansion of your capacity for compassion. So be gentle with yourself. Finally, expand your awareness outward like ripples on a pond. Include your neighborhood, your locality, your city, your entire region, your country. Expand this further to encompass all beings everywhere, humans, animals, all forms of life. May all beings everywhere be safe and protected. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be happy and peaceful. May all beings live with ease. Rest for a moment in this spacious awareness, in this field of goodwill that you have cultivated. When you are ready, take a deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Now gently open your eyes. Carry this kindness with you into your day. What we just did is loving kindness meditation. You may adjust the phrases to resonate with you personally. You may say, "May I be filled with loving kindness," or "May I be at peace." The key is the sincerity of intention and not the perfect wording. With consistent practice of this meditation over weeks and months, many people report feeling more connected to themselves and to the loved ones and to the external world. They feel less reactive and more at peace. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and let me know in the comments how this meditation resonated with you. Thank you.